Hey guys, in this video, we'll take a look at Hostzy, which is a brand new web hosting solution. Now you can host unlimited websites and domain with only one-time payment. Now this will not cost you a lot, guys, because this is just $19. And you can host unlimited websites and domain with zero limitations, premium cloud-based high-speed servers, unlimited bandwidth, 100% uptime guaranteed, free SSL encryption included, advanced DDoS protection, pre-migration, automated daily backup, unlimited database for your website or apps, 24/7, support, and then it comes with 30-day money-back guarantee. Now, if you'd like to pick it up, guys, I'm gonna give you access to some amazing bonuses. If you'd like to pick it up, through my link down in the description of this video, which is the first link, right? So you guys can also get this some amazing bonuses right here. Bonus number one, guys, is being ads mastery. Now all these bonuses right here, guys, is traffic related training and application. Bonus number one is being ads mastery training. Bonus number two is crazy traffic explosion. Bonus number three is WP commission cloaker. Bonus number four is a traffic app generating software that will generate your free traffic. Bonus number five is Viper, which is another traffic app software. All right? And then bonus number six is you're gonna get access to all vendor bonuses that you can get access to this inside of your account of Hostzy. All right. So let me show you what are those bonuses that you'll be getting as well if you'd like to pick up Hostzy through the link down in the description of this video. Bonus number one, guys, is traffic veils. Bonus number two, WP attention. Bonus number three, website pouch pro. Bonus number four, side stripe. Bonus number five, social lead page builder. Bonus number six, WP sticky bars. Bonus number seven, WP tracker rescue. Bonus number eight, sticky icons plugin. Bonus number nine, WP video attention. Bonus number 10, WP viral click. Bonus number 11, WP like pop plugin. Bonus number 12, WP cool live chat. Bonus number 13, WP copy guard. 14, WP Amium Pro. And 15, WP video chop WordPress plugin. So those are all the bonuses that you'll be getting inside of your Hostzy account. And then you'll also gonna get access to my some of my amazing bonuses right here if you'd like to pick up Hostzy through the link down in the description of this video, guys. Now this is only for $19, guys, and you'll never have to pay for monthly payment again. Now you can host unlimited websites with zero limitation, right? Unlimited domains, blazing super fast web hosting with free SSL certificate, 100% uptime guaranteed, unlimited bandwidth, automated daily backup, 100% cloud-based, free migration if you wanted to migrate your website into this hosting, then there's also free migration included, unlimited, personalized email, unlimited database, firewall protection, and 24/7 technical support. So those are the features that you'll be getting in the front end. But if you wanted to upgrade your account into pro version, then here are some benefits that you're gonna get. DDoS protection to prevent hackers from and spam. It's also, I think it's always included in the front end. Uh, Automated daily backup, malware protection, power SSD storage, B-Core powerful processor, spam assassin, DNS control, commercial license included. So that's for OTO number one, and then the downsell is $37. OTO number two, which is $67. The downsell is $47. 500 gig terabyte cloud, 500 gig and slash or 1 terabyte cloud storage, secure and encrypted storage, password storing, file review, group storing, link share and expiration, folder management, website backup, works on any kind of device, photos and videos backup, unified search, dedicated support, multiple file types suspected, weekly and monthly backups, and then super fast sharing. OTO number 3, which is 197, the downsell is 147. Exclusive reseller license, 100 keep 100% of the profit if you wanted to resell your hosting solution, and then you can resell up to, you know, uh, 50 accounts if you wanted to go to downsell. But if you wanted to, pick up the 197 upsell, then you can get up to 100 accounts to resell. Right, so those are the OTOs of Hostzy, guys. Now if you'd like to pick it up through the link down in the description of this video, which is, I really appreciate if you'd like to pick it up through the link, guys, because I'm gonna give you access to all of these amazing bonuses for free instantly. You can get instant access for this inside of your Warrior Plus account. Right, now I think that would be in this video. If you have some questions about this brand new product, guys, just let me know in the comment section below. I'll try my best to answer all the questions that you have, and I see you in the next review video.